Halo, assalamualaikum, kembali lagi ke channel aku DHINI EKA. Kali ini aku lagi gabut banget di rumah. Terus aku nemu fotonya Teh Nanath yang ini. Dan aku bakal bikin makeup look yang kayak gini nih. Ini makeup lebarannya buat Teh Nanath ya. Gimana kalau kalian mau lebaran pakai makeup kayak gini nggak? Mumpung lagi social distancing, nanti lebarannya kan di rumah aja, jadi nggak apa-apa dong main makeup yang kayak gini. Oke, langsung saja kita ke tutorialnya. Jadi ini aku udah pakai bedak. Sekarang aku mau bikin alis dulu biar nggak terlalu lama, karena ini makeupnya agak ribet banget. Kalau kalian ngikutin stepnya dari awal, nanti videonya bakalan kelamaan. Aku pakai bikin alis dulu ya. Kita skip bikin alis. Oke, ini alisnya sudah jadi. Sekarang kita mau lanjut ke bagian mata yang susah ini ya. Oke. Jadi yang mau aku bikin dulu yang ini yang warna orange sama pink. Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Orange. Oke, aku mau pakai orange ini, palet warnanya banyak banget kayak gini. Jadi aku mau pakai yang warna orange ini, terus nanti dikasih yang warna pink ini. Oh, bukan. Warnanya ini sama ini. Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. Close through the night, I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape.
Udah mirip belum? Ini mau ngasih shadingnya sedikit sama eyeliner warna putih sama gambar bintang-bintangnya. Oke.
Going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got my love blind. And ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good. Oh baby, we'll never get old.
Kalian ini gimana kalau yang warna putih ini akhirnya bikin
Got me going all crazy. I'll be walking away, yeah.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down.
Sekarang kita mau pakai bulu mata. Bulu mata yang sudah basah, sudah pakai mata. Sekarang kita pakai lipstick. Ini lipstiknya dari Implora yang nomor 01.
I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find.
Tinggal kasih lip gloss sedikit aja, ini dari Berry Me. Aku mau ganti jilbab sama ganti baju dulu. Bye. Gimana? Dan mirip belum sama Nanath? Oke, sekian video kali ini. Semoga kalian suka dan terima kasih sudah menonton. Assalamualaikum.